clear sky's the limit since BlackSky Technology has unveiled ambitious plans to expand its high-frequency monitoring constellation with the introduction of multispectral, large-area collection satellites, initially designated as AROS, or just ROS. These new satellites will revolutionize country-scale digital mapping, navigation, maritime, and 3D digital twin applications, providing unmatched speed and scale. ROS will augment the site monitoring capabilities of BlackSky's Gen 3 satellites, offering dynamic broad area search, change monitoring, and predictable refresh of large area and 3D mapping datasets. The AROS satellites are designed to address emerging market gaps as legacy large area collection satellites approach end of life and are replaced with lower collection capacity satellites. BlackSky's CEO, Brian O'Toole, highlights the company's focus on meeting modern demands for persistent visibility over large areas, emphasizing affordability, performance, agility, and AI readiness. The future integrated constellation will combine very high-resolution broad area search with site monitoring, providing dynamic tipping and queuing for advanced applications. This platform will be powered by BlackSky's Spectra AI-enabled real-time tasking and analytics platform, offering customers a fully integrated set of solutions. With its advanced features, including very high-resolution multispectral imaging, low-latency delivery, and a proprietary data pipeline, ROS will enable routine wide-area imaging without compromising image quality or revisit rate. BlackSky's development of AROS has been underway for 2 years, and the company is engaged with development partners, with plans to launch as early as 2027. The company's recent acquisition of LeoStella has provided mature, vertically integrated manufacturing and production capabilities, giving BlackSky a strategic advantage in the rapid development and deployment of advanced space-based intelligence solutions. This builds on BlackSky's recent achieving another milestone with its Gen 3 satellite, delivering very high-resolution images just 12 hours after its successful launch. The company's CEO, Brian O'Toole, highlighted the significance of this achievement, stating that BlackSky's customers require space-based intelligence that moves at warfighter speed. The Gen 3 satellite has demonstrated its ability to provide low-latency, high-resolution imagery, showcasing the maturity of BlackSky's AI-enabled architecture. The images collected by the Gen 3 satellite over Galmud Air Base in China demonstrate the timely operational value of high-cadence, space-based dynamic monitoring capabilities. This technology enables decision-makers to discern vital aircraft movements, ground vehicle positioning, and critical facility operations, providing valuable real-time context to multi-source intelligence efforts. The company's real-time dynamic monitoring capabilities offer a strong complement to national space assets, especially in support of time-dominant strategic and tactical operations. With its high cadence, time-diverse constellation, BlackSky is set to accelerate the development of new customer applications in automated real-time and predictive battlefield monitoring. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.